Are you ready to level up your video marketing with stunning video mockups? Today, I'm showing you how to do it easily in Midjourney.
All right, so the first thing we want to do is come into Canva. And once you're inside your Canva account, we're going to go ahead and create a blank canvas. So we're going to go over here to the left side. We're going to click create. Once we go in here, we want to go scroll down, click on custom size, and then you're going to pick the custom size that you want to create, whether you're doing a social media post, an Etsy listing, or some other type of marketplace. Whatever you're using, those are the dimensions that you want to create this in. So for now, we're just going to go ahead and do 2500 by 2500 pixels. And then we're going to go ahead and click create new design. All right, so once we are in here and we have our canvas set to go, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and upload your design that you want to use and also your mock-up photo. Now let me show you where you can go ahead and get a mock-up photo. Now you can either use an AI generator and create your own, or you can go to a site similar to this. This site is called Creative Fabrica, and you can come in here. You can either buy one-offs or you can go ahead and purchase a subscription plan. And once you are in here, you can go ahead and type in sweatshirt mockup or Gildan 18,000 sweatshirt mockup, whatever it is that you're promoting, whether you're just selling a design, it's not going to matter the brand, but if you are selling a print on demand product, like sweatshirts or something like that, then you want to make sure that you have the exact sweatshirt that you are selling to promote your product. So they have a lot of options in here for whatever brand you're using, especially again if you are using print on demand products. And you can just go in, click which one you want, and go ahead and download it. All right, so once you have it downloaded, we're going to go back over to our design, and you're going to click over here on the side where it says upload, and you want to go ahead and upload that design in that mock-up photo that you created or downloaded or sourced off of another website. All right, so now that we have uploaded our mock-up photo, which is right here, and our design, we're going to go ahead and place all of the things where it needs to be. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust my photo to fit this whole entire canvas, so I don't have any white space. Okay, so I adjust that to the middle, and then here's my design. You want to remove the background. This is a pro feature inside Canva. However, depending on what AI generator you use to create your design, you might already be able to have the background removed before you come into Canva. All right, so I've removed the background, and now I'm going to go ahead and adjust my design on the model shirt. Make it a little bit bigger. Okay, that is good. And then what I like to do is I like to put the transparency down just a tad bit so it looks more natural. Okay, so that looks good. So all I need to do now is click on share up here in the right hand corner, click download, and then we're going to save it as a PNG and click download. All right, so now we're going to go into a program called Midjourney. You can go ahead and open up an account. They have different tiers for a subscription. You can pick whichever one best fits your needs. You can create videos in the lowest tier. So once you're inside of here, you're going to, on the left side, you're going to go ahead and click create. And then up here in your Imagine bar, you're going to click on Add Images, this button, and then you want to upload the PNG file of the mockup that you just created. So I already have it in here, so I'm going to click on it, and then it's going to pop up here where it says Start in Frame. Now you don't need to use the ender frame. You can if you want, but for the purposes of this video, we're just going to keep it simple. We're going to keep it at Start in Frame. And then over here, if you want your model and your image to have a high level of motion or low level of motion, you can toggle on here as well. Also over here you have some more settings, but we're just going to keep it nice and simple. So all I'm going to put in the search bar is what I want to happen inside this video. So I'm going to say football mom is modeling her new t-shirt design. That's it. Keep it nice and simple. The more direction you give the prompt to do, the more complicated it can become. So we're just going to keep it simple. I'm going to click this little airplane for create. And then we're going to go ahead and wait for the videos to create, which is going to take less than a minute. All right, so now that our video is done creating, we're going to look through. And the good thing about this is it gives you 4 different videos. So you can use these 4 videos for your, let's say, social media posts. You have 4 different posts promoting this product. So let's click on the first one. And as you can see, it looks really good and natural. And then we can click on the second one. That one looks good too. Okay, here's the third one. And the last one. So each video is completely different and they all look good. And like I said, you can use all 4 of these for promoting your, whether you're just promoting the shirt or the design. And then all you would do is click this download button right here on the right side and download your videos.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips on using AI to build your digital business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.